There's a saying attributed to Edwards Deming, the godfather of quality improvement in the United States. In God we trust, all others must bring data. At Better Health Greater Cleveland, we bring the data. In this 13th report to the community, we present data on quality of care delivered by over 700 primary care providers in 52 practices who report their care for more than 143,000 patients with diabetes, heart failure, or high blood pressure. Our growing network is committed to public reporting because they know that timely and trusted data are the foundation for transformative change in healthcare. At Better Health, we collect, analyze, and publicly report data on nationally endorsed and locally vetted measures of recommended care. Our twice-yearly reports of practice quality scores showcase their achievement to their peers and to their patients who can compare them with others, and that's a powerful motivator. But just as important is that we can use the data to identify and act on opportunities to improve and to track and benchmark our progress against others in our organizations, in the region, and across the country who are caring for similar patients. Better Health's data also are central to our core mission to provide a safe space for competitors to collaborate. In each public reporting cycle, Better Health mines the data for bright spots that can accelerate improvement across the region. Rigorous analyses by our data center uncover patterns of outstanding achievement that often lead to discoveries of practice innovations that can be disseminated through Better Health's events, programs, and communication venues. A minute ago I mentioned Deming, the most celebrated figure in quality improvement methods. A key component of Deming's philosophy was that when organizations focus primarily on quality, quality tends to increase and costs fall over time. That's why more employers and more health plans are using quality data too, as they start to shift to paying for value over just volume of services. And that's why we bring the data.